In these times of artificial intelligence, one does not need to spend much time, money, and other resources on certain things like Photoshoot. Yeah, so I needed a professional portrait to design a birthday flyer, but I did not have. So I went to AI, then AI did this for me. It gave me a very nice professional portrait for the particular birthday flyer that I had to design. Mind you, I did not go to the photo studio. I did not pay any money. I did not spend any time. Like, I did not spend enough time or much time on it. So it saved me some time, some money, and some energy. Now, let's get quicker into this one and get to know which AI did this amazing job for me and how everything was done. Mind you, before we start, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it to other friends so that they would also know what they can do with AI. In order for you not to miss out, be sure to watch this video to the very end so that you get to know every little prompt that I gave. You get to know every little thing that I did that got me this result. Without wasting much time, let's get quicker into it. The name is 7. So a quick one. Let's search Nano Banana. How to use Nano Banana for free is at the end of the video, so please watch it to the very end. So after searching Nano Banana, many options would come. Then you scroll down. Follow what I'm doing very well. You scroll down to this one, this particular one that has a yellow logo in there. Then you tap on it. So you wait a little while, the page will pop up like this. When it pops up like this, mine is on the desktop side, so I'm changing it. Yeah. So when it comes like this, you tap on that yellow button, then it takes you here. When it takes you here, tap on the plus sign. So tapping on the plus sign allows you to go and select from your gallery, but then you go to browse. So when you go to browse, it takes you to your gallery. Then you start searching. Wherever the picture that you want to use is, you scroll to that side, then you select it. It allows you to select up to 9 pictures. So I selected a very few of them, about 5 pictures out of the 9 that it had. Out of the 9 that it had wanted me to select. One thing is, select pictures that your face can be seen very well, so that you get a portrait that looks exactly like you, because mine was exactly like myself. So you select pictures that you're looking into the camera, very good ones. Mind you, Nano Banana does not only do this, it can also increase picture size and do many other stuffs. Yeah, not just only giving you portraits. Sometimes if you are wearing a spectacle, you can tell it to remove it. I remember one picture, there was a medal hanging in my neck. I told AI to remove it, and it did. Now let's come to here. So you come down here, then you give AI the prompt. Watch carefully. This is the prompt that I gave AI. Yeah. So the prompt was: create a professional portrait with my pictures. I want to be in a suit, looking straight with a smile, not so wide. It should look very professional. It should look very professional. I just gave this prompt, then went down there to tap on it to create. Then it started creating for me. It's almost done. Then boom, AI did it. AI actually did it. Now I'm going to give you the pictures that I used so that you know, or you see the pictures I gave to AI and what AI did for me. You will testify that, yeah, AI be the ish. These are amazing, right? Yeah, so you don't need to spend more money, more time whatsoever. Now you can do everything in your room. Mind you, this is not the only thing that you can do. You can tell AI to give you a portrait or any picture that you are at a beach with maybe your fiancé, whoever, having some fun time, then you add your fiance's picture. There are many things that this AI can do for you. Sometimes you can even tell AI to the single gurus. You can even tell AI to give you a fiancé, that you are with her or you are with him at the beach. So that's it. AI is doing more things. So it's either you use it to your advantage or people use it for you and charge you. So now I had to bring AI, the AI generated image. I removed the background and I had to bring it to PixelLab, so that I'll fix it in the, what do we call it, the template that I had done for the birthday flyer. As simple as that. So I came to fix it in there and it was done. So in case you want to know maybe how to design a birthday flyer or whatsoever, maybe some other time we are going to talk about the one, how to use PixelLab. It is PixelLab that I've been using. If you want to get more knowledge on that side too, some other time we are going to talk about it. So I fixed it in there and got the birthday flyer. So perfect. This is what AI is doing. Use AI to your advantage, or some people will use it and you will pay for it. The name is Seven. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's meet some other time. Goodbye. So one thing about Nano Banana is that sometimes after using it, your point will be exhausted, so you cannot use it twice, maybe in a day. But then you use it today, you leave it for tomorrow, or maybe some few days later, you come back, then you still have some points to use, so you can use it again in some few days or even the next day.